on. All right, so for
Open that one.
the finale.
Open that one. Open that up. Dad, open that up.
You gotta open that one. Tear into it, baby.
Dad, open it.
Go ahead. Whoops.
Put
She
the
was
phone down.
fell.
Put the phone down. Put the phone
Oh
down.
my
Put the
goodness.
phone down. Go ahead. Now open it. Okay, go open that up.
Good girl.
Go open
Charge
it up.
that phone.
Okay, go open it. Open it up.
Go ahead. Yay!
Rip it.
Tear it, sweetie.
Go ahead. No, hold on. Don't
She's
rip
a
it.
conscientious.
Go ahead, open it up.
It's
Look,
okay.
look, look.
Right.
Go ahead,
Go
open
get it.
Go ahead.
Yay! Oh my goodness, whatever could it be?
What's that? Keep going. Good. Keep going.
Oh, look.
Yeah, keep opening. Almost got it. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door.
Oh, wow.
Open the door. See, look. You can go right in. Look.
Could that be a playhouse? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, go inside.
That Santa is something else. And it has a doorbell.
Go inside.
Love it.
Yeah, go inside.
Go inside. Look, it has a little dinette in there.
It's okay.
Yay!
Come on, go inside.
It's a playhouse.
Yeah, go inside. Go inside, baby. You wanna go inside? Go ahead. Go ahead, go inside.
Cool.
You know what? Help me take the rest of the paper off. Should we think this thing closed? I want to know it's open. Thank you. See? You go right inside. Okay?
Wow, that is a cool playhouse.
You're right on time, Papa.
It's all open.
Good job.
See? Look at that. See, now you can go in. See, everything's open. It's okay. See? Yeah, go inside.
Go ahead, try it out.
Go inside. Yeah, go ahead. It's okay.
You and Ava can have tea parties someday.
Go sit down. Hey, look. Clara, look. Go sit down in the seat over there. Go sit down over there. Yeah, go inside and sit down.
Go ahead. Yay! You like it?
Good girl.
You like your little house? Yeah?
Here, point the seat to her. Let's see you sit down.
Sit down. Sit on the seat.
Sit in the seat.
Whoops, not on the floor.
All right.
It's all right.
Show the seat.
All right.
Oh, this is a sight.
In the seat over there. Sit over there. Look. 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 Look at Sissy.
Good job, sissy.
So you can sit down. All right, step up. Step
All
up.
right. All right. I'm getting out of your little
Yeah, you go sit down.
You go sit down, and I'll go ring the doorbell to ask me.
Good job.
Can I?
Hello.
Ding dong.
Hello.
Can I come in? Okay. Okay. I will
Oh.
come in.
Can you see paper?
Yay!
Here, throw. You crush it up here?
Look at Clara. Clara says no trespassing, sissy.
Jumps up and down in it. Oh, careful with that door.
Good job. Clara, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Love you. Bye-bye.
Can I come in?
Nope, that's a no-go. All right,